Hello guys and welcome back to this Windows command line tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check a file system in Windows 11. In previous video we created this local disk Z, and I'm going to show you how to check a file system of local disk Z. As we didn't assign any file system to this disk, we have disk C and we have also disk D here on this particular computer, and I will also show you how you can check a file system for those drives as well. As one important thing is, when you are creating some local partition, which we did in previous video, you need to also assign a file system, which we didn't do, and I didn't do this on purpose, as I will be showing you how to assign file systems in next video, as we will talk about one command which I want to explain you in more depth. So to check a file system in Windows 11, in search type in command prompt. You will see this command prompt icon, right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. And to check a file system of our local disk Z, we use the command fs util space and fs info space and volume info and space, and then you need to specify drive for which you would want to check a file system. As we want to check for Z, we type in capital Z and column and hit enter. And as you can see here, we got this error 1005. The volume does not contain a recognized file system. This means that this particular file is not formatted and it needs to be formatted with some particular file system that it can use. However, if we will check now our local disk C, which is 100% formatted, as all our files on our computer, all our videos, all our operating system is located in this local disk C. Let's click on keyboard arrow up to return back to the previously typed commands, and instead of this Z, let's type in C column and hit enter. And here, by using this command, you will be able to retrieve much more information about this local disk C. And if we scroll down here you can also see that file system name is NTFS, and NTFS stands for New Technology File System, which is the native file system for Windows computers. And NTFS is a file system that has been developed by Microsoft for Windows operating systems. So NTFS offers several features such as an improved support for metadata, advanced data structures, performance, reliability, and disk space utilization. But if we will check now the file system for our D drive by hitting arrow up on our keyboard to return back to the previously typed command, and here instead of C at the end we type in D and column and hit enter. For this particular disk we have a totally different file system, and this file system is CDFS, and CDFS stands for Compact Disk File System. It's a file system used for reading and writing data on optical disks such as CDs, DVDs. CDFS is designed to support the ISO 9660 standard, which ensures compatibility across different operating systems and devices. So my NTFS file systems are for Microsoft only, as they have been developed for Microsoft or Windows operating systems by Microsoft, and this CDFS, this is totally different file system, but this is compatible with many other operating systems. In one of my future videos I will give you a bigger breakdown, or in more depth breakdown, what file systems are there. And for example, for Linux there is lots of different file systems like X and many others, which we will discuss in one of my future videos. But for now, only in this tutorial, the main takeaway which I wanted you to take away is that we can use this fs util or file system utility, fs info and volume info, and then specifying the partition or disk which you would want to check what file system it is using. You can use simply in your command prompt this command. And the main file system in Windows operating systems is NTFS, so as there are many other file systems which, like CDFS, is compatible with many operating systems, and all these different file systems serve different purposes.